Anyway, let us start. Right. So in the last session, we started what is concept of the expressions. What is expression? What is operator? What is operand? And along with that, we discussed what is class and what is object. How to create the class and how to create the object. How to work with the class and object also we covered.
Yes, sir.
So now in this session, we are going to see what are the different type of the operators provided by the Java. If time permits, we will start one more concept called control statements. Now see the categories of the operators are arithmetic operators. Generally, these categories are probably equal in all programming languages with slight differences. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. Along with these operators, we have some more operators called unary operators, ternary operators, and some special operators. So let us discuss these one by one. Start with the arithmetic operators. Very simple it is. Already we know that some arithmetic operations generally we implement in the math also, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. We can implement those operations in Java also by using some operators. What are the symbols we used to implement such type of the arithmetic operations? Those symbols are called arithmetic operators. Very important point is these arithmetic operators act on two operands. Already we covered what is operand in the last session. If we use two operands to work with any operation, those operator is called binary operator. We cover that, right? So in the same way, arithmetic operator is also binary operator. If you want to implement any arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, you need to take minimum two values. That's why all arithmetic operators are called binary operators. For example, see, we have the two variables a and b, and we store the value 22 in the variable a. And Naresh, stop annotation. Listen if you want, otherwise exit. And second value is 10 we are storing in the variable b. Okay. Erase that. Now see. So addition operator, very simple one. Everyone knows it. Plus symbol, it is used to perform addition operation. As per our example, we have two variables a and b with the values 22 and 10. So if you perform a plus b, obviously we will get 32. Nothing new here. Very common thing. Subtraction, we are using minus operator. Everyone knows it. But here the important point is division operation. Generally, we use a divided by symbol in the mathematicals to implement division operator. But coming to the programming languages, generally we used forward slash symbol. See now. This one, okay, forward slash symbol, general name is forward slash symbol, but here we should call it as division operator. In any programming language, generally we use the word division operator. And when you are working with the division operator, you will get quotient as an answer generally when you are working with the numerical values. For example, see, our value is 20, a value is 22, b value is 10. 22 division 10, it gives 2 only, not 2.2. Okay, so that's why sometimes it is also called an integer division. You will get quotient part only, remember this point. Now, coming to the multiplication operation. So generally we use into symbol, X like symbol in maths, but here we use star. Star indicates multiplication operation. Probably in all programming languages, we use star symbol, that is called multiplication operator. We should not use into symbol in the programming languages. That is invalid. Now see A into B. If you write the expression like A star B, meaning of this is A into B. As per our value is 22 into 10. So it gives 220. Last operator in the arithmetic section is modulus operator, or you can use the word remainder, because if you use this modulus operator, you will get remainder as the answer. For example, if you take A modulus B, 22 modulus 10, you will get the value 2 only, because you will get only remainder as the answer. This is about arithmetic operators. See one example for better understanding. Now see this public. If you use public or not, no changes, because we are working with only one class. Class, your class name. So I am giving the class name integer arithmetic. Public static void main strings args as usual. Within the main body, we are declaring two variables of int type. Int A assignment 22, comma B assignment 10. We are declaring and assigning the values for the two variables of int type A comma B with the values 22 and 10. Now we are implementing arithmetic operation C, A plus B. Very simple. Okay. And one more important point, observe here. System dot out dot println within the parentheses. We are writing something within the double quotes. Within the parentheses, within the double quotes, we are writing something. This is called a constant value, string constant value. Whatever you want to display as it is. Okay. No evaluation will be done generally within the double quotes. What I want to do is I want to print A plus B value is like that information, just like heading A plus B colon. After that, I want to print the value of the A plus B. This will be printed on the screen as it is, because we are writing within the double quotes. Here, if you observe plus, in this case, this plus gives the meaning as concatenation operator, not addition operator. Please remember this. Try to understand what I'm saying is, here I am using place in two places now, but here, first place. This is as part of the system dot out dot println, not as part of the arithmetic operations. This place, my meaning of this place is concatenation operation. Operator. Okay, na? Concatenation operator. We are implementing concatenating. What we are concatenating? One string value. Okay, one string value. What we are writing within the double quotes, one heading. After that, one evaluation, one expression. A plus B. This is one expression. Nothing but one expression will give some value after evaluating. One constant, one string constant. We are concatenating these two. That's why in this case, this symbol is called as concatenating operator. After that, within the parentheses, I am writing one expression A plus B. Now, while you're executing the program, A plus B value will be evaluated and the value of A plus B will be printed in this place. Okay, A plus B colon. After that, here the value will be printed. That is what we are expecting on the screen. That's why we are framing the system dot out dot println in this way. For example, suppose if you want to print like this, A plus B value is. After that, you need to print the value, actual value. A plus B value is 32. Like that, I want to print on the screen. Now you can write like this also. Just giving a heading. You can write as per your requirement, you can change it. I think it's clear. Now, coming to the A minus B, as usual, subtraction operation, multiplication operation. And already we said na division operator we will get quotient, and modulus division operator will get remainder. Just execute it. Now see, this is the output of our program. A plus B value is 32 because we have changed na? A minus B colon, or if you want to write A minus B value is the 20 to 12. A into B value 220, that is 220. A division B 2, A modulus B also 2. Okay, this is how to write a program with help of the arithmetic operators. Very simple, I hope. Then second category is relational operators. See now, we covered arithmetic, and second one relational operators. As the word tells, relational. It is used to indicate the relation between the operands. Okay, if you observe the word relational, it is used to know the relation between the operands. Relational operators are used to check the relationship between the two operands. If you use the word two operands means these operators are binary operands. And when we compare any two operands with help of the relational operators, we will get some value. That value is Boolean value. Nothing but we'll get true or false. Suppose I'm comparing value 10 and 20. 10 less than 20, let us say. 10 less than 20 is true, obviously. So that returns true. 10 greater than 20, that returns false. So Boolean value. These true and false, these two values are called Boolean values. When you implement relational operators, that returns any Boolean value after the completion of the comparison. And this is the list of the relational operators. See, the relational operators are less than or equals to. We must write less than or equals to like this because we use some different format in the mathematics. But here we need to write less than is equal to. Then we should call it as less than or equal to. Then greater than or equal to, is equal to. This is very, very important fact. See now, this is called is equal to. Okay. If you write single time, that is called assignment operator. If you write two times, that is called is equal to operator. That is a major difference between programming language to maths. Okay. This is called is equal to operator. Remember, very, very important part. And this is not equal to operator. We must write not equal to operator by using exclamatory, then assignment. Combinedly, that is called not equal to operator. You must remember each and every operator. Now see, less than, if you write like 10 less than 20, in this case, that returns true. Less than or equals to 10 less than or equals to 20. In this case, it returns true. Greater than 10 greater than 20, as usual, nothing new here. Then false, greater than or equals to, but this is important. 10 is equal to 10. This returns true because here this operator is called is equal to operator. We are comparing this value with this one, left value with right hand side value. If these two values are equal, then it returns true. Not equal to, reverse to the is equal to. 10 not equals to 10. In this case, it is false because these two are equal actually. That's why it returns false. Right? This is the list of relational operators. Then let me show you an example program. See this? Class name, public static void main, common for every program. Int A assignment 10, int B assignment 20. In this case, I am declaring two variables in the two separate lines. If you want to write in a single line, that is also valid. That is up to you. Now, system.out.println A less than B. Observe this statement. Ninth statement. Focus here. Ninth statement. System.out.println. If you write A less than B, you should not use any double quotes. Remember. If you write like this will be evaluated internally, and the truth value, either true or false, will be written. In this case, A value is 10, B value is 20. 10 less than 20. So that is true. That's why it returns true. Suppose if you write a double quotes like this, double quotes here, and here one more double quotes. What is the meaning of this? That is a constant value, string constant value. The ninth statement is used to print A less than B only. If you write like this, must understand the difference. Now I want to evaluate the value of A less than B. For that, we must write like this. Now, in this case, it returns true. I'm using here two forward slash symbols. Okay. This is used to write the comment lines. Every programming languages, we can write a comment lines. Comment lines is nothing but these lines will not be executed. If you write something, before that, if you write two forward slashes, compiler will ignore that line. Okay, compiler will not execute this part. We are writing the comments for understanding the program. For our purpose, we are writing something to understand what is the intention of this statement, what will be written by this statement, why we are writing this statement. Like that, for our purpose, we are writing something. That is the intention of the comment lines. To write the comment lines, we are using double forward symbols. Okay, single line, comment line. Now, coming to the 10th statement, A less than or equals to B. So by using these values, it returns true because 10 less than or equals to 20. That is true. So in the same way, you can apply for all these things also. A value 10, B value 20. And coming to here, A is equals to B. A value is 10, B value is 20. In this case, that returns false. And in this case, that returns true because 10, 20, different values. So A not equal to B, that is true. That's why it returns true. Now execute it. See, this is the output of our program. True, true, false, 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 true. I think it's clear, very simple. Next category is assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign right side value into left side variable. Assignment, to assign, simply. Assignment operator is used to assign the value. Where we need to store the values in any programming language, in the variables. If you want to store any value, we must use the concept variable only. In the variable, we can store the data. So we are trying to assign some value to the variable. For that, we use these assignment operators. If you want to assign a single value, you can assign it with the help of the assignment operator. See, we are writing is equal to. Generally in the maths, we use the word is equal to, but here we should not use that word is equal to. Is equal to has a different meaning. Already I have shown to you. If you write two times, that is called is equal to operator. That is a relational operator that is used to compare the values. But here, if you write single time, this is called assignment operator. It is used to assign the value. Right hand side value will be assigned to the left side variable. Nothing but 10 will be assigned to the variable A. If you write like this. Okay. In this case, we are assigning only single value. And if you want to assign one variable value to the another variable also, you can do that with help of the assignment operator. See now, int b assignment A. Now what is the value available in the variable A will be assigned to the variable B. So we are assigning one variable value to another variable. This is also valid statement. Now see, we can assign some expression also. See assignment A plus B. You can write one expression here. The expression will be evaluated at runtime and that final value will be assigned to the variable C of int type. Okay. So all these are valid statement. This is important part. Left side of an assignment operator should not be the constant. If you observe this, left hand side of the assignment operator is a variable only in example 1, in example 2, and in example 3 also. If you write any constant to the left hand side of the assignment operator, that is invalid. For example, see if you write like 15 assignment x semicolon, it doesn't give any meaning. It is a meaningless statement in the programming languages. 15 assignment x, it is invalid. You will get an error. Okay. So the point is at the left hand side of the assignment operator, you must write the variable. At the right hand side of the assignment operator, you can write any single value or any variable or any expression. Right? Now, while assigning the value, the type must match with the data type of the variable. Otherwise, it raises an error. What does it mean? So, suppose I declare a variable A of int type. Already we covered data types: int, float, short, byte, character, string, and so on, right? So, int means you can assign the value a number. Int means a number without any fractional value. So, I am assigning a number without fractional. This is valid. Suppose if you write int A assignment 10.50. Here we are trying to assigning 10.50. A number with fractional value is called float value. But I declare this variable as int type. You should not do that. That is the statement. Mismatch. What is the value you are assigning? What is the variable you are declared? Those should be matched. If you declare a variable as int type, you must assign a number without fractional value, int value. If you declare a variable as float, then you can assign the float value. Any number with fractional value is called float value. Like that. You must take care about that. Now, if you want to assign multiple values by using single statement, that is invalid. Okay. See int a comma b assignment 10 comma 20. If you write the statement in Java, it will raise an error. Of course, if you want to write the same statement in the Python, that is valid. Some programming languages may provide some features, some may not. But you can assign a value by using single statement where we must be separated by comma. Now see int a comma. Observe here int a comma. I am not assigning any value for the a. Just I declared only. If you are not assigning, that is called declaration. If you are assigning, assignment. Okay, declaration and assignment. Now b assignment 10. If you write like this is also invalid in Java. Okay. If you want to assign any value, you must do that in the next line. Int a semicolon in the next line. Int b assignment 10. That is valid. Otherwise, if you want to declare two variables, only declaration int a comma b semicolon, that is also valid. But you should not do like this. Now, this is one more important point. Parallel assignment is valid in Java. Parallel assignment means one value for the multiple variables. Int A assignment, B assignment, C assignment to 10. Now the value 10 will be assigned to the C first. Then C value will be assigned to the B and B value will be assigned to the A, where all A, B, C values will be 10 only finally. Okay, this is about assignment operator. A simple assignment operator only. This operator is also called simple assignment operator. Okay, and let me show you complete. Before that, Now, as of now, we covered about this operator, assignment operator. This is also called simple assignment operator. And we can use this simple assignment operator with arithmetic operators, bitwise and shift operator also. As of now, you don't know, I think, about bitwise and shift operators. We will cover later on. But we covered arithmetic operators already. The meaning of this statement is we can write the assignment operator with arithmetic operators also. What does it mean is, see the statement, A assignment A plus 10. Focus here. A assignment A plus 10. What is the meaning of this one? Already we have some value in variable A. For that value, we are assigning 10. And finally, that value will be assigned to the A only. That is the meaning of the statement. Suppose if you have the value 5 in the variable A, 5 plus 10, 15. Finally, the 15 will be assigned to the A again. Okay. Now, if you have the statement like this, that can be written as A plus assignment 10. This is just like a shorthand notation. This is called compound assignment operator. Compound assignment operators. Observe here. Place assignment. Place assignment. When we need to implement compound assignment operator, the rule is when we have the same variable, at the left hand side and right hand side of the assignment operator. Focus here. We have A na, at right hand side of the assignment operator, at the left hand side of the assignment operator also we have the same variable. When this condition is true, then only you can implement compound assignment operator concept. So same statement will be written like this. A plus assignment 10. Okay, these two are same. A assignment A plus 10 or A plus assignment 10. These two are absolutely same. But here we are using the operator plus assignment. This is called compound assignment operator, where we can use simple assignment along with the arithmetic operator plus. In the same way, you can use simple assignment operators with all arithmetic operators. See now, A assignment A minus 10. We have same variable for the both hand side of the assignment operators. So for this, we can implement compound assignment operator. How to write if we use compound assignment operator? A minus assignment to 10. Same statement can be written as A assignment A minus assignment to 10. Right? So like this, we can write assignment operator with multiplication, division, modulus division also. See the complete list. Plus assignment. Okay. You can also call it as addition assignment. Okay. So you can write like this. A plus assignment to 10. What is the meaning of this? A assignment A plus 10 again. Okay. Just like shorthand notation. Subtract assignment, division assignment, multiplication assignment, modulus assignment. Okay. These are the operators of compound assignment operators when you write single assignment operator along with the arithmetic operators. Like this, we can write the simple assignment operator along with bitwise operators also, shift operators also, and so on. That is next level one. This is more enough about compound assignment operators. See one example. Now see, class name, public static void main, string args as usual. In seventh statement, we are declaring A and we are assigning some value also. Int A assignment to 10. So assigning a single value, right? And I want to print that value of A. System.out.println. A value is, this is just like a heading as we covered already. Concatenation and the variable name. So in this place, in the place of the A, the value of the A will be printed as an output. And in the same way, we can assign one variable value also we covered, right? We can assign one variable to the another variable. So after that, I want to print the B value. Then we can assign one expression also into C assignment A plus B. After that, I want to print this C value. Now C value is concatenation C. Just execute it. Now see, A value is 10 because first we assigned int A assignment to 10. And we are printing the value of A, obviously we'll get 10. B value is also 10 because we assigned A value to B in the 11th statement into B assignment A. So what is the value we have in the A? The same will be assigned to B. After that, if you're trying to print the B value, obviously we'll get 10 only. That's why we are getting B value is 10. Then C value is 20 because what we assign to the C? A plus B into C assignment A plus B. 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, that's why we are getting C value is 20. Clear, I think. Next. So as of now, we covered three types of the operators, right? Arithmetic operator, relational operators, assignment operators. Now, fourth category, logical operators. So as we covered, relational operators are used to frame the condition, right? Otherwise, you can say that relational operators are used to know the relation between the operands. Same two statements give the same meaning. To combine multiple relational expressions, we use logical operators. Or simply, we can say that to combine multiple conditions, we use logical operators. How to create the condition? With help of the relational operators. What is condition? Just like A less than B, A greater than B. These are conditions. What is the operator we are using? Less than, greater than. Relational operators, right? If you want to combine multiple conditions, suppose I want to write A less than B and B greater than C. These two are different conditions framed with relational operators. I want to combine these two as a single one. For that, we use logical operators. We have three categories of the logical operators: logical and, logical or, logical not. What is logical and? As we covered already, relational operators returns Boolean value, either true or false, right? In the same way, logical operators also return Boolean values, either true or false. Then logical and operator returns true. Logical and operator returns true if both operands or both expressions are true. The symbol we are used to represent a logical and is double and symbol. Very, very important point. The symbol we are using to represent a logical and is double and symbol. And we need to write two times. If you write one time, that is called address of operator. Of course, bitwise and also. One symbol may have the multiple meanings depending on the case. In this case, if you write and symbol two times, that must be called as logical and operator. Then see this, you will get the idea how to use logical and. Suppose I have one condition 2 less than 5. This is one condition, and here we are using relational operator. Already we know that relational operators are used to frame the conditions or to know the relationship between the operands. This is condition 1. Okay, one condition. And what is the truth value of this condition? 2 less than 5. Obviously, that is true. Okay, this is true. Now, we have one more condition, that is condition 2. Let us say 20 greater than 10. What is the truth value? Obviously, true, because 20 greater than 10, that is true. Now, I want to combine these two conditions, two relational conditions technically. Okay, I want to combine two relational conditions by using what? Logical and. Now see, I am combining these two with help of one operator, that is logical and operator. Now in this example, condition 1 is true, condition 2, truth value is true. What is the rule for the logical and? It returns true if both operands or both expressions are true. In this case, these two are true. Na? Condition 1 is true. Condition 2 also true. Now it returns true. This is about logical and. In the remaining cases, in all remaining cases, it returns false. I think it's clear. That is about logical and. Coming a logical or. It returns true. Logical or returns true if either of the operands or expression is true. Either of the operands. Maybe condition 1 is true, condition 2 is false. In that case, it returns true. Or condition 2 is true, condition 1 is false. If either of the one, okay? If at least one condition is true, the final value becomes true. That is about logical or. Then the operator we used to implement logical or is two pipe symbols. General terminology is pipe symbol. Technical terminology is logical or operator. Now see, we have condition 1, 2 less than 5, that is true. Condition 2, let us say 20 is equal to 10. This is false, right? 20 is equal to 10. 20 is different, 10 is different. Obviously, these two values are not equal. But we are saying is equal to 20 is equal to 10, false. So one condition is true, one condition is false. What is the rule for the logical or? If at least one condition is true, final is true. So that's why if we use logical or, that returns true. For example, in this case, if we use logical and, that returns false. I think you're following. If you use in place of logical or, if you use logical and, it returns false, not true. Okay. Third category is logical not. It returns true if the operand is false. If the operand is false, it returns true. Okay. Reverse. Simply, we can say that it is used to complement the given truth value of the operand. True becomes false, false becomes true if you apply logical not operator. And the symbol to implement logical not is exclamatory. The general word we use is exclamation symbol. Technically, in the programming language, we use that is a logical not operator. Now see, for example, I have the condition like 96 less than or equals to 80. In this case, the truth value of this condition is false. But if you write not before this expression or before this condition, the truth value of this condition becomes true because the logical not is used. True will be changed as a false, false will be changed as a true. Complement the given truth value of the given, it is complements the truth value of the given expression or condition. So in our example, the truth value of our condition is false. But if we use exclamation, nothing but logical not before the condition, false becomes true. Okay. This is about logical not. Let us see example also, then it will be more clear to you. Now see, class name, public static void main string args as usual. Observe the fifth statement. Fifth statement, int a assignment 10, comma, b assignment 20, comma, c assignment 30, semicolon. So we are declaring and assigning three variables a, b, c with the values 10, 20, 30 respectively. Right? Now, I want to print a heading, just a heading only. I am not evaluating anything, just simply text system.out.println logical and as it is the logical and, because we are writing within the double quotes, within the parenthesis, within the double quotes, whatever you write that will be printed as it is. So logical and colon will be printed. That is the result of the sixth statement. Still, we are not evaluating anything. Now, come to the eighth statement. This one. System.out.println a greater than b. This is an expression, right? A greater than b, logical and b less than c. So first, a greater than b, truth value, will get truth value, where 10 b is 20. 10 greater than 20, false. B less than C, 20, 30. 20 less than C. Sorry, 20 less than 30, because 30 we stored in the C. Na? B less than C means 20 less than 30. Obviously true. This is false. This is true. So what is the rule for the logical and? If two values are true, final value will be true. In all other remaining cases, that returns false. Let us check it. Execute it. Now see, logical and false. You will get false. If you write two expressions where two expressions gives true as a result, then you will get true as the final result, right? Let me show you that. I'm changing eighth statement as a comment line, so that will not be executed. Now see the seventh statement. A less than B. This is true because 10, 20. 10 less than 20. B less than C. 20 less than 30. That is also true. Now, what we need to get? We must get the output true because two are true. Na? Execute it. Now see, logical and true. Like this, you must understand logical and operator. In the same way, same formula for the logical or logical not also. Let me show you that also. See now, logical or example, same values, same variables. Just first I want to print logical or the text. After that, system.out.println eighth statement. A greater than B, B greater than C. Let me comment it first. Let me focus on R, seventh statement. No, see this statement, highlighted one. A less than B, 10 less than 20. 10 less than 20, true. B greater than C, 20 greater than 30, false. Even though A less than B is true, of course, B greater than C is false, but A less than B is true. What is the rule for the OR? If you have at least one true value, the final logical OR value will be true. In this case, this is true, this is false. But even though we must get true. Let us check it. Execute it. Now see, logical are true. Okay. This is about logical R. Just even here. Logical not. Last one. A, B with the 10, 20 values. Logical not simply text. Now, first observe here. A less than B. 10 less than 20. True. But we are writing logical not here before the expression. Okay. So A less than B is true. But if you write logical not, true becomes false. So finally, you will get false as a result for the statement 7. Check it. See now, logical not, false. Okay. So I think it's clear about logical and or not. Next, we have bitwise operators, last one, but it takes more time because we need to discuss left shift, right shift. Those take a lot of time. Still, we have only 8 minutes only. So, do you have any doubts? You can ask. Anyway, let me rewind what we covered in today's session. So, we started our discussion with arithmetic operators. That is first category of the operators. So arithmetic operator is used to implement the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus division. Plus for addition, minus for the subtraction common. But here the thing is star operator we must use to implement the multiplication operator. Forward slash for the division operator. In this case, you will get quotient only. And modulus division is nothing but percentage symbol simply. That is called modulus operator in Java. When we use modulus operator, you will get remainder as the answer. That is about arithmetic operators. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to know the relation between the operands or to frame the conditions. To frame the conditions, we use relational operators. The operators are less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, is equal to, not equal to. Here the important point is equal to means you need to write is equal to 2 times. Is equal to equal. Okay, that is equal to operator. Not equal to means exclamation equal. That is called not equal to operator. Assignment operator, as the name suggests, it is used to assign the values. We covered first the simple assignment operator, that is equal to. That is used to assign the values. Assign the right hand side of the value to the left hand side. Generally, we used to use variable value at the left hand side, any constant value or any variable or any expression at the right hand side of the assignment operator. The rule is at the left hand side, you must not use any constant value. And in the assignment category, we covered one more topic also, that is compound assignment operators. We can write the simple assignment operator along with the arithmetic operators also, like plus assignment, minus assignment, multiplication assignment, and so on. But when we need to write, the condition is if you have the same variable at the left hand side and the right hand side of the assignment operator, you can write compound assignment operator is just like a shorthand notation of the statement. Suppose A assignment A plus 10. Here we have the same variable A at the left hand side and the right hand side of the assignment operator. So the shorthand notation for the A assignment A plus 10 is A plus assignment 10. Like that, already we have seen the examples also, right? Then what we covered? Logical operators. What is the use of the logical operators? Logical operators are used to combine the relational operator conditions which are framed using the relational operators. Or simply, you can say that if you want to combine two or more conditions as a single condition, you can use logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine the conditions simply. Then, what are the sub operators available in the logical operators? Logical and, logical or, logical not. Logical or means we used to write and symbol two times. Logical and. Rule is if the given two conditions are true, logical and returns true. In all other remaining cases, it returns false. Logical or. We use two pipe symbols to indicate the logical or. Rule is at least if you have one true condition, then the final value of the logical or is true. In all other remaining cases, it returns false. Logical not, true becomes false, false becomes true. That is about logical operators. So in the next session, we covered bitwise operators. If time permits, we will cover unary operator, ternary operator, and some special operators also. With these operators will be completed. Okay, in the next session. After that, we will start control statement also. That is also takes some time. Still, do you have any doubts? You can ask.
No, sir. Sir, can you send the PPTs of today's class and last class?
Okay, Amma, I will send today.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I will send the PPTs along with the same explanation is available on the YouTube also. Same PPT, same explanation. If anyone missed or if anyone want to listen multiple times, you can use that facility also.
Okay, sir.
I think no doubts. Shall we conclude it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Right, go through these notes. What I shared, what will be shared. If you have any doubts, you can make it a note and you can ask in the next session or any session. Okay. Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Right.
Thank you, sir.